First Amendment to the United States Constitution guarantees the right of all people to freely express their opinions, gather together peacefully, and ask their government to address their concerns. This basic freedom enables people to participate in open conversations, share their opinions, and ensure accountability. Engaging in conversation encourages understanding and acceptance. Civil discourse helps people understand various points of view and feel for others who hold them. Discussion helps to find issues and fix them. Discussion makes it easier to spot shared issues and suggest fixes that could help communities and the country. Holding government accountable is important. The ability to complain and petition enables people to hold elected leaders accountable for their choices and policies. Protecting democracy depends on free and open sharing of ideas, which guarantees that everyone is heard and that decisions are based on well-considered thought. While freedom of speech is valued, using it wisely is essential. Respect and listen to others. Treat everyone with respect even when disagree. Avoid hate speech and incitement. Free speech does not protect words that encourage violence or hate toward people or groups. Be accountable for words. People are responsible for what they say, both online and off. It is important to appreciate the freedom to speak, argue, and complain. It is important not to take this important right for granted. By appreciating and using it responsibly, people honor the sacrifices of those who fought for their freedoms and ensure that the democracy stays strong for future generations. Exploring the importance of discussion, argument, and complaint is next. Firstly, it promotes understanding and tolerance. By engaging in civil discourse, people can better understand different viewpoints and foster empathy for those who hold them. Secondly, it identifies problems and solutions. Discussion allows us to identify common concerns and propose solutions that can improve our communities and country. Thirdly, it holds government accountable. The right to complain and petition allows citizens to hold elected officials responsible for their actions and policies. Fourthly, it preserves democracy. A free and open exchange of ideas is essential for a healthy democracy, as it ensures that all voices are heard and that decisions are made based on informed deliberation. Now, consider responsibilities with freedom of speech. Firstly, respect and listen. It is essential to treat others with respect even when there are disagreements. Secondly, avoid hate speech and incitement. It is important to note that free speech does not protect speech that incites violence or hatred against individuals or groups. Thirdly, be accountable for words. People are ultimately responsible for the consequences of their speech, both online and offline. The final point is gratitude and appreciation. Living in a country where people can freely discuss, argue, and complain is something to be grateful for. This precious right should never be taken for granted. By cherishing and exercising it responsibly, people honor the sacrifices made by those who fought for our freedoms and ensure that our democracy remains strong for generations to come. Consider these concepts as a continuous reminder of the importance of freedom of speech, assembly, and the responsibility that comes with it.